In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Asana. Archiving is a great way to keep your workspace tidy without deleting anything important. In Asana, the most reliable way to archive tasks at scale is to archive the project that contains them. This hides the project and its tasks from your active views, but keeps all the information safely stored in case you need it later. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Asana, then select the official Asana website from the results. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or recent projects view. Next, navigate to the project that holds the tasks you want to put away. Click on that project to open it. You should now see the project header at the top, along with the name of the project and various view options. We're going to use the project's action menu to archive it. Look for the small arrow or caret near the project name at the top of the page. This is the Actions menu for the project. Click it to open the list of options. In this menu, choose Archive. As soon as you confirm, Asana archives the project. The project and all of its tasks will be hidden from your active lists and reports, but they're not deleted. This is perfect for wrapping up completed initiatives while preserving history, comments, attachments, and assignees for future reference. A couple of helpful notes here. If you don't see the archive option, you might not have the right permissions. You'll need to be a project owner or have sufficient access to manage project settings, so check with your team admin if the option isn't visible. Also, archiving won't notify your team with a loud announcement, but it does remove the project from the daily flow, which helps reduce clutter and keeps current work front and center. If your goal is to tidy up individual tasks rather than a whole project, remember that Asana doesn't offer a dedicated archive button for single tasks. Most teams simply mark tasks as complete to clear them from active views, preserving the full record without deletion. That said, archiving the project is the cleanest way to retire a set of tasks at once while keeping everything recoverable. And that's it. You've opened Asana, navigated to your project, opened the Project Actions menu, and archived the project along with its tasks, keeping your workspace organized and your records intact.